Hi, I'm Annika Johnson from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go! Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Door County Girl. I am riding in the van with Kit Butz, and we're doing some deliveries, so we have some time to chit chat. So Kit's going to talk a little bit about some of our things that we do
after Fall Fest.
After Fall Festival and everything slows down in Sister Bay and in Door County in general. You know, we have a pretty quiet winter, so we have to try to come up with some inventive ways to keep ourselves busy, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, well, so Kit's going to tell you about it.
I actually enter into the busiest part of my year. I think about people sometimes at work don't realize that I'm like, actually July, August is typically like one of the slower times for online, at least, and a lot of the other stuff that I do. But now I'm in my go time. We get into the fourth quarter. It's everything for the online store for Christmas. Be sure to look at it. We'll have a lot of deals and stuff going through the Christmas season, so you can check that out. But also the big thing that I do is the preparation for the Christmas shows that we do. So we do 2 Christmas shows. One in Oconomowoc at the German, they have like a German Fest there basically, which is an awesome event. If you're in the Milwaukee area or even in the Chicago area, you should drive up. It is crazy.
That is a crazy weekend.
If you have a dirndl, dust it off, bring it.
Yeah, it's a German market, but it's awesome because they put up, the tent is way bigger than the tent that we're in.
Yeah, it makes
our little tents that we're in have a couple little vendors that sell little arts and crafts and things that we have in the store, but it's all about the polka bands and the beer tent.
It rivals like Oktoberfest, like the giant tents that each of the beer companies put up for Oktoberfest. It is like that. It is amazing. They from like 10 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock, or probably later than 10 o'clock.
Oh, I think it's like midnight.
Yeah, they play like, they have all kinds of rocking, like sort of oompa music, but like rock and roll oompa music. They have like traditional sort of like polka dancing kind of stuff. It is really cool, but we bring all of our Christmas stuff down, and we set up like a sort of pop-up shop in one of the retail tents there. There's lots of other really awesome vendors that you can come check out, but it's one of our big winter things that we do that's sort of fun. You know, when it slows down in Door County, it gives us a great opportunity to sort of just cruise off and do something like this. So,
and you know, it's right downtown in the old Oconomowoc area, and it's right on a little lake, and parking is really difficult, but if you can park and walk, I mean, the weather last year was pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes it gets a little dicey, but that weekend is Friday, right after Thanksgiving, Saturday and Sunday, and it's gangbusters.
Yeah.
I'm just wall to wall. Don't eat before you come, because out the back of the tent, right in between the beer hall tent and us, is a really awesome little setup outside, and they have all different kinds of food items, and you can eat lunch
sandwich,
there.
Yeah, and the other neat thing is, like, if you wanted to knock off, like, it happens Black Friday, so the day after Thanksgiving is when it lights up, and they have like Santa Claus there, so you could knock that out with your kids if you wanted to do that. It's just a really cool event. The people that put on and just do an amazing job with the organization, because I couldn't even believe all that it goes into, you know, getting it set up and doing stuff like that. I will be down there, so you'll be able to see me, come in and say hi at least. We should be having like I enjoy it every year. I haven't done it for a while. Annika's done it for like the last year.
You know, I'm not gonna lie, it's a rough one to maintain and to keep running, but I have myself and 3 other workers, and it takes 2 people on the cash register, 1 person just to walk around and keep straightening everything up or sampling cookies, and then the other person's the stocker, and I'm the stocker, so you have to take your little hand cart, go through throngs of people, and you go to your van to get more product because you have to keep restocking. It's a really good market to pick up on food. So like right before the holidays, a lot of people like to have a lot of food for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, and they have a lot of candies and cookies and all different things that you can stock up for the holidays. But it is a really, really, really busy market, and there's lots of people. And if you can enjoy yourself, you got to go into the beer hall.
Yeah, the beer hall is where it's at.
It is.
Yeah.
They even have on Sunday morning, and you churchgoers that like to have a beer when you go to church, they have a polka band, a polka church in that morning. They have a big service in there.
That's awesome.
In the beer tent. It's awesome.
So that's the first one we do. And then a week later, we go to Elkhart Lake, to the Osthoff and the German Christmas market there.
And I'm going to jump in.
Jumping in.
Elkhart Lake is famous for a race car track, there that they have. But the town is really, really, really tiny. And they have this couple unbelievable resorts. And the Osthoff is one of the biggest ones. And there's so many people that come to this market that the town doesn't even have that many people. It's just tiny, like
Elkhart,
Sister Bay.
It's a cool city. It's a cool little.
It is a beautiful area.
The lake is gorgeous. I mean, it is. It was one of those classic escape, the city places and stay for a week, sort of like how Door County is.
You want to go left?
Go left. Okay. But yeah, so then Elkhart Lake, we have the German Christmas market. It is another just super cool one. It lasts for 12 days, I believe.
10 days.
10 days. So we start the Friday, I think it's the first Friday in December, and it goes to the 11th or 12th. Yeah, I think 11th is when it
And what's cool about it is they've really got it down to a science now. They have a nice big tent. You pay to get in, but it's worth it because they have food in there that will blow your mind.
Yeah, they do.
They have German everything. Wiener Schnitzel. They have lots of glug. Really good glug. I can't say enough about the glug.
Glug's good.
And they have potato pancakes. They have all different things that the Osthoff puts German food on. So a lot of people come there just for lunch.
Yeah, it's a cool place to do that. And also just the retail.
You pay to get in. It's
everything.
like $5, right? Or it was $5. And then you get your hand stamped, so you can come and go. But there's a lot of vendors in there. Lots of cool things for Christmas. One of my favorite booths is the trout guy. The guy sells all the trout and all the fish.
I don't know the trout guy.
You don't get to walk around. You got to walk around.
I usually set up and I leave and I don't really see too much. I bring all the stuff there.
Oh, he's got trout this, trout that, smoked trout.
Oh, wow.
Trout dip,
so he's
trout,
got food.
trout.
Trout food, okay.
Yeah. That's a busy booth. And they have a lot of different cheese vendors. Got to stock up on all these foods for the holidays because you know how all your relatives eat you out of house and home. Stocking up.
So it's funny, we are heading down this road, and I played in bands when I was younger. Our band practice place is just right up the road here. A long time ago. But yeah, side note, it's probably the same guy.
Well, I have to say about Elkhart Lake, I'm going to give a shout out to that little train station that turned into the little coffee shop / sandwich place / breakfast place.
Well, they've got that. They've got a brewery downtown. They've got a really fancy
The Brown
restaurant.
Bear is really good.
It's all really neat place.
Yeah, there's all, it's a tiny town, but it's got some really good little spots. The Paddock restaurant, very good. Yeah,
so that's the other market that we do. So it's just one of those fun places that you can go and check out, and it's worth a trip to Elkhart Lake. You could stay at Kohler if you really want to make an awesome holiday week. Stay at Kohler, enjoy everything there. Visit Elkhart Lake; they're within minutes of each other. So it would be a really great. You do some spa, you do a little shopping, or make a ladies trip or something like that too. It would be fun. Yeah, and then Al's. So the other thing that I've been getting a lot of questions about online is our Julbord. So. Our Julbord, we'll have a lot of information coming out, but starting November 1st, we'll start taking reservations. We take them online only, And we'll have more information. If I go through it, no one will be able to get it anyways, but we can put some information in the comment section here about how to sign up for Julbord. But starting November 1st, it sells out every year, so if you really want to come and have a traditional Scandinavian or Swedish Julbord, this is the place to do it. We have lots of great food that Freddie makes. So our Freddie, who's our Swedish chef at Al's, he makes homemade like gravlax. It's like 3 or 4 different types of herring. He makes Jansson's Temptation, all the things that people like love from the holidays. Potato sausage, one of my favorites. Just meats and cheeses.
I think it's somewhere up here. You got to slow down.
Julsinka, which is the Swedish pickled ham that's like basically has like a mustard like encrust to it, and that's just unbelievable and really tasty. So just you'd have to come look for that. And then we also have Breakfast with Santa. It's a free event to anybody. You just come for breakfast, and you can go see Santa Claus with your kids. I usually bring my kids there every year. I think this might be maybe the last year for us here. So things to check out that keeps us busy during the off season. Definitely check out online. Visit us at aljohnsons.com. You can just click on the shop link. It'll take you directly there. We let you know everything that we have going on, and you'll be able to see all the deals that we'll have during the holiday season. So thank you so much. And this is a quick one, but I think it's a pretty informative Door County Girl episode. We've just rolled into our next spot, and make sure you like and subscribe us, and keep on visiting us here on YouTube. And thank you so much for checking in with us.
Yeah.
Hey-do.
Hey-do. Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.